Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to build a landing page design using Google AI Studio. First of all, we can go here and type ChatGPT. Here I want to generate a prompt. Create a prompt for simple landing page design for Enable Website Design that offers website design services. Then press enter. You can also do search by voice, and here you can select one of the response. So let me select this one, first one. And here we can type something. So now within next few seconds it will start creating a prompt. So here you can see prompt is ready. Now we can simply copy it and then here search for Google AI Studio. This one is the official website, aistudio.google.com. Here you can select one of the platforms. Let me go and select this one, build, and then add the prompt here. And click on build. Now here you can see it has started working on it. So guys, here you can see landing page design is ready. You can preview it. Here you can select this one, full screen. Now scroll down. Here you can see within next few seconds it has generated this landing page design.